A universal history based on the progressive unfolding of modern natural science can moreover make sense only of the past 400 or so years of human history, dating from the discovery of the scientific method in the 16th and 17th centuries. Yet neither the scientific method nor the liberation of human desire that drove subsequent efforts to conquer nature and bend it to human purposes sprang ex nihilo from the pens of Descartes or Bacon. A fuller universal history, even one that based itself in large measure on modern natural science, would have to understand the pre modern origins of science and of the desire that lay behind the desire of economic man. Such considerations suggest that we have not come very far yet in our attempt to understand the basis either of the current worldwide liberal revolution or of any universal history that may underlie it. The modern economic world is a massive and imposing structure that holds much of our lives in an iron grip, but the process by which it came to be is not coterminous with history itself and not sufficient to tell us whether we have reached the end of history. For that, we would better do to rely not on Marx or the social science tradition that sprang from his economically based view of history, but on Hegel, his idealist predecessor, who was the first philosopher to answer Kant's challenge of writing a universal history. For Hegel's understanding of the mechanism that underlies the historical process is incomparably deeper than that of Marx or of any contemporary social scientist. For Hegel, the primary motor of human history is not modern natural science or the ever expanding horizon of desire that powers it, but rather a totally non economic drive, the struggle for recognition. Hegel's universal history complements the mechanism we have just outlined but gives us a broader understanding of man, man as man that allows us to understand the discontinuities, the wars, and sudden eruptions of irrationality out of the calm of economic development that have characterized actual human history.